Recently, I went to Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia to meet my sister who arrived from Sri Lanka. I used this opportunity to capture some video footage with my Osmo Pocket 3 and took some photos with my Fuji XT5. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the video as I take you through the whole journey. Kuala Lumpur International Airport is a bit far from the city, so you can always take the KLIA Express train, which would take you to the city directly for about 50 Malaysian ringgit.
Just close my eyes and think of you. When I'm sleeping with someone new, I can't help myself, I wonder if you still feel the way I feel when somebody calls you mine. Are you sleeping with someone new, someone new, I just close my eyes and think of you when I'm sleeping with someone new.
When you are in Kuala Lumpur, if you want to save the money, don't take the Grab. Instead, always take the public transport such as the MRT and the trains and the LRTs. That way, you can save so much money.
I'm still walking the same road.
that brings the end of today's video. Hope you liked it. If you liked it, please do like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Thanks a lot for your time, and see you in another video.
If I am fooling myself